there, I am Xavē D Morgan, Small Business Coordinator with the Metropolitan Business League and Program Specialist for the Virginia State University Center for Entrepreneurship. Are you an entrepreneur or a small business owner who could use some support within the operational tasks for your business? Well, you've navigated to the right place. In this video, I will educate you on what business owners need to know about hiring interns, why it's beneficial to hire interns for certain operational tasks within your business, and lastly, teach you how to break down your operational tasks and delegate them successfully to your interns. Ready? Let's begin. Hiring interns can be highly beneficial for your businesses, especially when it comes to handling specific operational tasks. Here's what business owners need to know about hiring interns and why it's advantageous to do so. Number one, cost-effective talent. Interns are typically students or recent graduates looking to gain work experience. They are often willing to work for lower wages or even as unpaid interns in exchange for valuable learning experiences. This makes them a cost-effective source of talent for business, especially for tasks that don't require highly specialized skills. Number two, fresh perspectives. Interns bring fresh ideas and perspectives to the table. They may have innovative insights, especially in areas like technology, marketing, and social media. Their different backgrounds and recent exposure to educational institutions could lead to creative problem solving and novel approaches to tasks. Number three, scalability. For operational tasks that require scalability, interns could be a flexible resource. Businesses can bring in interns during peak periods or for specific projects, allowing them to scale their workforce up or down as needed without long-term commitments associated with full-time employees. Number four, the knowledge transfer. Hiring interns provide an opportunity for businesses to transfer knowledge and industry-specific skills to the next generation of professionals. It could be a form of mentorship, and experienced employees could pass on their expertise to interns, which can be valuable for succession planning. Number five, diverse skill sets. Depending on the internship program and the institution, interns may possess diverse skill sets. This can be particularly useful when a business needs help with various operational tasks, such as research, data analysis, content creation, or event planning. Interns could fill multiple roles within an organization. Number six, long-term recruitment. Internships serve as a pipeline for future full-time employees. When businesses hire interns and provide them with a positive experience, they increase the likelihood of attracting talented individuals to join the company upon graduation or completion of their internship. This reduces recruitment costs in the long run. Number seven, increased productivity. While interns may require some training and guidance initially, they can quickly become valuable contributors to operational tasks. Their enthusiasm to learn and eagerness to make an impact can boost productivity within a team or department. Number eight, diversity and inclusion. Internship programs can be a way for businesses to promote diversity and inclusion in their workforce. By offering opportunities to students from different backgrounds, businesses can create a more diverse and representative workforce, which can lead to improved decision-making and a broader customer base. Number nine, test drive potential employees. Internships offer a low-risk way for businesses to assess the potential of future employees. Business owners can evaluate interns' skills, work ethic, and cultural fit before making a long-term hiring decision. Number 10, community engagement. Hiring interns can also be seen as a way for businesses to give back to the community by offering valuable work experiences to students and recent graduates. In summary, hiring interns for certain operational tasks in a business can be a strategic and cost effective approach to getting work done while providing valuable learning experiences to the next generation of professionals. It allows businesses to tap into fresh talent, scale their workforce as needed, and contribute to the development of future employees. However, it's crucial for business owners to provide proper mentorship and guidance to ensure a successful internship program. Now that we've covered the basis of why hiring an intern for your business could prove to be beneficial, in this next portion, I'm going to teach you how to break down operational tasks so you can successfully delegate them to your interns. After you have completed the recruitment process for your interns, now it will prove beneficial to host an orientation. During your orientation process, give an introduction to explain the significance of the task at hand, setting clear objectives and emphasizing the importance of the delegated task. You will want to provide any training and onboarding that's needed. You should educate them on your company culture and policies, provide them any tools and resources needed to complete the task, and highlight the importance of ongoing support and mentorship. Also, give them space to discuss how they feel about your company and leave room for feedback and to make necessary improvements. Remember, they are our future innovators. If you are paying the interns or the work study program pays them, you want to make sure that maintaining compliance with labor laws and intern rights are being established every day on the job. Well, that's all for now. And remember, I am Xavē D, your small business coordinator and program specialist. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out to me by my contact information located at the bottom of this video. I wish you well on your intern journey, and remember to live on purpose.